If I had to start from zero, no followers, no anything, and I needed to build a business with only free methods, this is the exact AI blueprint that I would use in order to build a profitable online business. In this video, I'm going to be addressing the biggest problems. Most people think that AI makes money online versus how you can actually have a plan at the end of this video that you can really go and implement yourselves. I'm going to show you with AI how to find the most profitable products in 2026 to sell. And I'm going to show you how to use AI in order to create these things that I call profit machines so that they will change your life and you can live the life that you've always dreamed of. I'm going to show you how to package it, how to sell it. And then most importantly, this is where 90% of the marketers fail. I'm going to show you how to market these things so that you can generate profitable sales to put money in your pocket. So no fluff. Step one, let's go ahead and get in this thing. Most people think, AI automatically equals money. That couldn't be furthest from the truth. AI is a tool, but at the end of the day, people buy solutions. AI just helps you create them a whole lot faster. If you create a product with Claude or ChatGPT that nobody wants, guess what? You're not going to make any sales and you're not going to be able to put any money in your pocket. But with the proper research, we can get you to the solution so much faster, it's not even funny. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Claude because we need to do research in order to know that we're creating a solution for a huge problem that people are complaining about. This is where the money is, not when you sell the product. So we're going to use things such as Google Trends, which is free. We're going to use the YouTube search bar, TikTok search bar, Amazon best sellers, and Etsy. These are products and platforms that are in front of us every single day, but if you utilize them correctly, they are just as powerful as a lot of these paid tools. So I'm going to flip over to my screen to show you how we are able to use something such as the YouTube search bar in order to find growing searches, in order to find recurring problems, emotional triggers. Because once we find things that people are repeatedly asking for, we can now have the knowledge of what to create in order to provide the solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip over to my screen here. And let's say I'm a 40-year-old guy and I'm looking to lose weight. So I want an ab workout, but I have bad knees. So I need to find ab workout for old men with bad knees. Let's see what pops up. That's pretty cool. We see chair exercises. We see a bad knee ab routine. These are awesome. The only problem that I see is that these are 3 years old. Have great views. 360,000. My goodness, that's a lot. But also I want to show you guys something that's very important. And it's this number right here. It's called an outlier score. And in order to get these types of graphics and metrics on your videos, I use a tool that's free called Video IQ. This tool is a Chrome extension which allows me to see some of the cool stuff outside of just what regular information that YouTube gives me. And typically when there's an outlier, that means this performs 100 times better than the average video that this person creates. So I know that this says 2 years old, but the outlier is 100. That is a phenomenal video to create. Seated core workout for seniors. Another cool one. That outlier is 2.4, not as much, but awesome. We got core exercises. It doesn't say anything about bad knees, at least I don't think. I can watch this video and I can find out. Oh, nope. This is pretty cool because as I skim through the video, he's not doing anything standing at all. And we'll do one more. Endure knee pain with seated knee strengthening exercises. That's pretty cool. The outlier is over 100, but this has nothing to do with abs. So as you guys can see, the type of process that I'm using in order to find the type of content. Obviously, finding content for seniors seems to be very popular. Losing belly fat seems to be very popular, and there is a market for doing things such as seated exercises, in a seat, low impact exercises, and stuff for bad knees. So for me, instead of doing 40-year-old workouts and just saying bad knees, I'm going to gear my ab workouts to seniors. I see a lot of videos for seniors that are performing very well, and I'm definitely seeing a lot of seated core workouts as well, which is pretty awesome. Here's another one, outlier at 8.9, which is great as well. Oh, now if I wanted to take this to another level, it seems like exercises on knee pain itself does extremely well. Every single video that has been about knee pain, the outlier has been ridiculous. So that's another topic I would probably choose. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and change that. I'm changing this live on this video. We are going to choose how to do exercises in order to decrease knee pain and leg exercises for those who have bad knees, aka myself. And what do you know, another chair ab workout. I don't think you can go wrong either way, guys. I hope that made sense so far. We just did a little bit of research using the YouTube bar by itself. I'm not a huge fan of the fact that a lot of the content was a year old or 2 years old, but the fact that it is still performing at a high clip with those outliers being over 10 easily, it's safe to say that those are performing very well in 2026, and those are subjects that we can recreate our products under. Quick tip here, do not be emotional about your research. Follow the data. Do not say, I like this, I like that. This is what my grandma does, this is what she does. We are creating content based upon data, and the profits will follow because we are creating the solution to the problem. So the next step is that we want to make sure we are thinking about things that people need right now. Things that are very easy, very simple, and quick wins, such as checklists, budget planners, recipe ebooks, ADHD toolkits, things of that nature. In my case, I want to do 5 simple exercises for knee pain that you can do in a chair. These are the things that people are spending money on. So now, what we're going to do is jump over to Claude so that we can now create the product, and then we can package it together and eventually sell it. So let's hop over to my screen again and check out Claude. Claude officially becomes our personal employee. So we're going to say, I've done a little research on workout plans for this will serve as a quick win for the person who downloads it. So as it's doing its thing, what I've done so far is I've given it a list of parameters in the form of a conversation, and I wanted to think about some of the information that I've given it about the fact that it needs to be exercises for those who are older because they need low impact exercises while sitting down on a chair. This is very specific. I could add another limiting factor to narrow the niche, such as this is for seniors, but I don't want to quite do that just yet. I want to see what it comes up with, and I'm going to flip over to my screen to see what's been produced. Oh my God, I cannot believe Claude just created this from scratch. I am completely blown away. Check this out. Dude, this is insane. There's some things that Claude does way better than ChatGPT, and obviously this is one of them. Check this out, man. It completely created a full ebook for me, and it created all the graphics for me for each exercise, and it's formatted everything. It's provided colors. This is next level right here. This is insane. So if we look over here, it says the chair comeback, 5 simple seated exercises to rebuild strong, stable, pain-free knees. This is dope. I told Claude that I wanted to create something for a quick win, and it right here tells me, hey, the hook right here, I made it purposefully so that the person reading it could get a quick win. It's created original illustrations and not stock photos, and it's structured to sell, which is insane. Check this out. All right, this is the leg extension. Now, this is probably the worst picture out of all of them, but they created some stick figures, which is okay because you get the point. This is a person seating on a chair. This is their legs, this is their knee, and so it describes the workout here. This is probably the only problem that I find here. This is the person sitting down on the chair with their legs straddling the seat, and they're curling up their legs backwards, okay? I know this because I work out on a daily basis. I can see what they're doing. I would probably find some other pictures, or I would tell Claude, hey, these pictures aren't really that great. I need something else. And I know that it would restructure it. Also, I did not tell it to add my name or my brand or anything like that. I would also tell it to probably add a cover photo. But you know what? Guess what, guys? I have a fully generated product from scratch that I didn't have before. Just that quick. This would have literally taken me hours upon hours in days to get to just this point alone before making a dime online. And this is all free. I haven't spent any money yet. This is an absolute game changer. So now the next thing is to put this inside of a website so that we can sell it and make some money. How do we do that? I use something called System.io. It is a funnel builder. It allows you to create web pages, collect emails, to build an official store and put money in your pocket. There's other paid softwares such as Stand Store, even a Shopify store. But listen, you're paying $49 to $97 for both of those products easily. And if you're not making a dime and you're still trying to learn this whole process, you don't need that. You're going to be flushing money down the toilet because you are still trying to figure things out while racing against the clock and emptying your pockets. And so if I flip over to my screen and show you this simple funnel here, this is one of my simple funnels. I use this a lot with TikTok. It's very similar to a Stand Store, same ordeal. It doesn't really matter how pretty or how ugly your landing page is. We spend way too much time on these things. As you see here, I have a place for people to download my free affiliate marketing starter toolkit. And then I have links for my courses and products and even my YouTube channel. So if they click here, it's going to go over to my YouTube channel. This is all you need, guys, in order to make money. This is how we're going to host our ebook. So now all you need to do is download this funnel right here and make simple edits to it. Now, of course, you're going to ask yourself, how are you going to do that? I'm giving you the opportunity to download this very same funnel and create a free account with System.io. You don't have to pay a dime. System.io is free for like your first 7 funnels or something like that. So go ahead, check the link down in the description right now and download and import your funnel with System.io. After you do that, you're going to edit some of those pages or some of the content so that it doesn't reflect anything on affiliate marketing, but it now reflects you and your business and whatever you are promoting. If you guys like what I'm teaching and what I'm showing you so far, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, please, so that I can produce more content like this. Drop some comments below. Let me know that you're following along and that this is helpful. So now we've done the research. We know what's working. We know what's not working. We've methodically created an ebook or a worksheet or a checklist or whatever it is that you're going to create for the masses that are experiencing a problem, because we have that solution. What's next? It is now time to drive traffic over to our funnel, over to our website, so that we can begin to make the money. By the way, go ahead, make sure you create your own Stripe account, because Stripe is going to be what creates those transactions for you when people hit that checkout button on your page. Again, if you have questions with these things, join me in a free community. I'm free to help you. I do live calls. I'm able to answer your questions directly. I will help you out along the way. You are going to use free content using platforms such as YouTube, which is how you're seeing me right now, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. These are two platforms that I've gotten really good at. I use a lot of Facebook as well, but I don't want to necessarily teach that. But what you want to do is you want to begin to make content, right? YouTube with these long form videos allows you to see me and get to know me for who I am. You get to understand my cadence, my humor. So by the time you watch 2 or 3 videos, you have felt like you've known me for quite some time. That is what video does. Now, if you're using something such as TikTok or YouTube Shorts, the content is much shorter. And if you're going to do that, I recommend that you upload at least 3 times a week. 3 times a day for the short form content. If you have long form content like this video, at least once per week. You don't need to work 80 hours a week extra just so that at the end of the 12-month pay period at your 9-to-5 job, you get a measly $5,000 bonus check. It's not worth it. You can make $5,000 this month right now if you use what I'm teaching you and you take it seriously and implement it in your life and your business. This is the place where most people quit because they think that uploading just 3 videos a day is going to change their life in 2 days. This is something that you guys need to implement for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Why? Because it is at this point that you have enough data to go off of and you get to see what people like, what people do not like, all right? All of this content is going to be formed around the issues that people experience so that whenever you promote your product through your link, your solution will be the thing solving their problem. I told you earlier, this is where 90% of the marketers drop. They complain about how something's not working, but yet they don't really give it a real try. You're going to be different. Let's commit today and let me know down in a free community that you are starting your journey. For the last and final step, we're going to be talking about scaling. This is my favorite thing. So now you have gone from TikTok and YouTube and you've migrated over to Instagram. And also don't sleep on LinkedIn because that is also another phenomenal platform that is extremely underutilized. This is how you go from selling 1, 2, 3 products a day to 20 products a day, to 50 products a day, to 100 products a day. And if you climb the ranks using these types of strategies, your life will change before your eyes like that. You guys, if you've been around me, you know I love email. You're creating freebies and stuff with Claude and ChatGPT for people to download other checklists and other freebies, worksheets. Technically, each email subscriber to your newsletter or whatever it is worth 50 cents to $1 per month. Now you go from 0 to 300 people on your email list. That's approximately $300 a month if you're sending them emails throughout the month. Now that 300 turns into 3,000. What happens when you just send an email by the click of a button to 3,000 people and your product is worth $47 or $97? Do you see the power of how this can work for you? So guys, if you like this video and you want my exact strategies where you promote one business so that you can generate 5 to 6 streams of income, I just created it. This is going to be phenomenal and it's going to make your life so much easier because I literally hand you a business. This is a system that will work for you and it promotes for you as well. I've given you the emails, I've given you the landing pages, I've given you the products, the affiliate links, you have it all. All you need to do is go through the program or go through the system, fine tune it to what you like it to be, and promote it. The link for that is down below inside of the description. So that's it for me, guys. I hope everything made sense. If you liked content like this, please smash that subscribe button and let me know that you enjoyed this. That way I can go ahead and create more. Let me know down in the comments of what you liked or what you would like to see next. But as for right now, I need you to go ahead and check out this video here because this is what you need in order to take your next steps in your business using AI. I'll see you guys in the next video.